how to fix network issues on iPhone 12, 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max. So let's get started. Firstly, open the settings app on your mobile device and try toggling on and off the airplane mode, because sometimes temporary issues can be fixed doing that. And if that also does not work, then all you have to do is tap on the general option available there. And now inside the general, you will get to see software update. Tap on it. Then all you have to do is update your iPhone to latest iOS version. If it is not updated, then you will get to see install or update option available there. Tap on it and update it. After you do all this, go back to the settings general again and scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset and tap on reset all settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.